Here's a quick look at what my kitchen looks like now. Remember, in the dead of winter, I started my kitchen makeover with adding some updates to my kitchen. And so I just want to just take you on a little tour. So not much has happened in this area yet. I did switch out some of the items that were on this open face cabinet. Remember, I had like the travel mugs and stuff placed there, but I actually ended up taking out some of my dishes that I had stored, and I found a cute little ice scooper and bottle opener that has bees, which is kind of like a theme for me. So my countertop area is still kind of cluttered. I haven't changed out the countertops yet. And then there's just other little touch-ups that I still haven't gotten around to do, such as the touch-ups for this particular area over the window. Um, I did find another soap dispenser that has a bee on it the other day when I was in Marshall, so I had to add that to my sink there. So I've had an electrician come out and do some work for me. He hasn't started in the kitchen yet. So I did purchase a hot plate, and I'm really confident once he starts to work in the kitchen, everything's going to be perfect. So I have not purchased more towels to fix that mixing towel there. So this is the wallpaper that I install. As you can see, some of the corners are starting to curl up. So every morning I'm like rubbing my hand against the wall trying to smooth it out. I just need to go to Home Depot and purchase some wallpaper adhesive and just fix that little annoying problem. I am satisfied with my kitchen right now. I love the paint job on the cabinets. They wipe down and clean really easily if I spill things on it, whether it's water, spaghetti sauce, or whatever. They look great.